this week, but we're back, and let's have a look at the price. So while I've been away, gold's tumbled its way down into the 1900 area, which was discussed. We got in a bit too early last week, but that was the target, and we see the price has bounced off, giving us a nice bottom at 1900 flat. So we can see that. Let's go down to the 1 hour here. Yeah, clean. And then if we take it down to the 5 minutes, yeah, 1900 level holds very strong. And you see what we have here. We've got this accumulation after the dip. Price dips back into it and reclaims, which is a very good sign. That price will be going to take out those highs. Here's the reclaim there. Price to take out these highs, which it does over here. Right, and then we carry on climbing up, making support above this area now as well, which is also support above the previous high. Tagging all two levels, sorry, very nice and clean. Now we'd be looking for areas of interest where price would reach or hit a reversal point. So if we go back down into the 4 hour time frame, we can see there's a nice bit of liquidity waiting up here, which could be our first target, but the first obstacle before that would be getting back above here, which is where the price is fighting now. So if we go down into the 1 hour time frame, we'll be able to get a better understanding of this here. So you can see beautiful support structure here, nice little market structure built. Price breaks it, hasn't retested it, this is the first retest. So this could be the area we could see a significant pullback from. If we hold above these levels here, where this little consolidation happened before price tumbled down, that would be good for us, for the longs. But what I'd be essentially looking for on gold would be a break above, a couple taps on the lower time frame, and then we're going to take out all that liquidity up there and up there. Alright, again, and up there. So that's what I would be looking for to get long on gold. And what I'd be looking for to get short would be a market structure break around here. So if I got a break of this support structure here, that's when I'll be looking to take a short, to take out stops probably around here, and then price will then pick up longs to try and take out this high again. So that would be my cue to short there, and then I'll be looking for longs around this area of 1909 to 1907 for price to take out these stops and maybe these, and then we could see price push higher. So that's the setup. So if you understand what I've said, hopefully that helps. And be careful in the market. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm just showing you what I would be doing in the market at these points. Okay, now we move on to BTC. So you've got a full understanding of what I'm doing, both sides of the market. That should be pretty much the next couple of days of action in the markets. So just be careful there. BTC, beautifully moving on up. We could see price come back down to 28k before 32, but after this lovely raid of these stops here and these, I think price could be ready to now aim for this area of 32, 33. So Let's see what we've got to deal with on the way. Quite simple, this one's just a nice and easy accumulation here. Right, you can see that's the high up there. So now what we'll be looking for is some lower time frame, nice formations to set up. Look for some order blocks, create a narrative here. So we had this little tiny accumulation, this block pushed price from there, sharp price movement up from there, could see price tag back into this block and then go long. So I'll be looking for maybe something like that. And then into the 32s, which is a 3-hour, which is comfy, can't complain. Take out those highs as well. We could see price go further up from there, but that's quite simple. And if price doesn't go long from there, I'd expect price to go long from 28. So I'll manage my risk accordingly, and so should you. What's the look of ETH? Let's have a look on ETH and see if there's anything interesting. ETH's already started moving before BTC. As you can see, BTC is nowhere near the highs. ETH's already swept the highs, so it'll be very interesting to see what ETH does, because we might see ETH pull back all the way down to 1850s and then go long when Bitcoin starts going long. This could be a manipulated move, like a little buy trap, and then it comes and takes out all the sell side liquidity, because the stops here haven't been touched. These stops here haven't been touched. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a trickle down into there, and then something like that to form. You see, well, I'd get long on the reclaim of this support level. Ideally, I wanted to reclaim highs over here. So on that reclaim of this support level, that's where I'd be looking to start adding longs into the mix. Okay. EURUSD. Here we spoke about in last one. We got this long late that we called for. Nice bounce off there. Price has taken stops on the downside. Now it's looking to come and take these, at least these stops on the upside. Nothing really in it for me here until we get up to this area again. We've got this untested block where it's took out market structure on the high side, on the buy side. It's taken that market structure out and hasn't been retested, so would be interesting to see how price fares up there. If we get some deviation and then some closes back below like here, similar PA to here, then I'll be looking to go short. If we break above and get some comfortable support bounces, which we didn't get here, then I'll be looking to go long. But nothing for me in this area at the moment, so I wouldn't force it. I'll just leave that one there. Price doing a nice one up here. Slow breakdown into this cluster, coming up to take out these highs. So, as you can see, this is a sharp move up, so price hasn't come back to reclaim support. So I'd be interested in seeing what price does down here, because I'd be looking to maybe go long. Stop loss below that low. You could go here, below the low of this block, and then that would be a 2.5R, or you want to be extra safe, go for the 1.23R, take out these, you'll probably go to 158.2, you know what I mean? Well, let's keep it simple, 1.39R if you want to be extra safe. But yeah, the odds are this is taking out those highs after that dip. This pattern forms all the time. Dips into the previous block, then price takes out the high. So let's see how that plays out. And what's going on with AUD? Nothing of interest here. Don't even like that, the way that looks. Yeah, it's all too late on that one. Unless we get a pullback now into here, I wouldn't be interested. Or you can play a bit of ping pong from level to level, from up here 0.67 area down into 0.66. There might be a bit of ping pong getting played there for a little while. Let's see how that goes though. Cable, have we discussed cable? No, we haven't. Cable's the same thing as Aussie, nothing for me there. Might be a bit of ping pong played here for a little bit, but that's about it. NZD, yeah, played the range. Comes back in this range, plays the range again. Didn't play the range here, so it looks like it's bottomed out now. I want to see some nice respected bounces off this support at 0.61612, and then maybe I'd think about getting into anything there. USD CAD looks like it's dipping for liquidity down here. Reclaim of structure will be interesting. If USD CAD goes short from here, that's too easy. What we might get is my favorite way. Take out the eyes up there. Boom. That's what I'd want. If not, it's going down for these stops. We're definitely going down for these stops and probably trade off this block. So I wouldn't want that because that goes against my gold. So I'd want the dollar to be strong. Take out those highs so that gold goes lower. And yes, I can see that gold play out in another lower time frame one. Can see that play out. And then get the long. So just prepare for both sides of the market. Yep, there's a few assets for you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully it was educational for yourselves. Thanks for the watch. Please, you know I take time out to do this, guys, for free for all of you. So if you don't mind, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. It means a lot. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the next one. And be ready, be aware. We do have live sessions still going on every week on the YouTube. So tune in so you can join the fun. Alright?